Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating post by Gary Newman, creator of Gary's Mod and Rust, about dead games. It's a really thought-provoking piece. He's basically asking, what happens to all the amazing assets, sounds, models, animations, created for games that ultimately fail to take off? They're just discarded, right?
Right. A total waste, it seems. He mentions the practical hurdles of simply open sourcing these assets, like licensing issues, storage, and bandwidth. But the core idea is compelling, a repository of reusable assets from defunct games. Imagine the possibilities.
Exactly. He suggests a simple solution. Developers of failed games email him their assets if they're willing to share. It's a brilliant grassroots approach, but it relies on individual initiative. It's not a scalable solution for the long term.
I see. Interesting. But the comments are equally interesting. One commenter, Louis, suggests a more formal, centralized open-source library for these assets, a KIME. A kind of asset graveyard for game development. That's a much more ambitious and potentially more impactful idea.
Absolutely. And it's not just about models and sounds. Louis also mentions the potential for open-source game engine templates. Think of it as a collaborative resource, where developers can learn from past mistakes and build upon existing work. It could significantly reduce development time and costs.
It's a win-win, really. Developers get to share their work, even if their original project failed, and other developers gain access to valuable resources. It's a bit like a Creative Commons for game development. But the logistical challenges of managing such a library are immense, right? Copyright, licensing, and attribution would be a nightmare.
You're right, that's a huge hurdle. It's a complex legal and technical problem. But the potential benefits are so significant that it's worth exploring. Another commenter, Colton, even suggests it as a new project. It's a fantastic idea for a startup, perhaps.
Absolutely. It could even become a sustainable business model, perhaps through a subscription service or donations. The community aspect is key. It's not just about the assets, it's about fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing. It's a powerful concept.
And the final comment I want to highlight is Christopher's. He's inspired to get back to work on his own projects, determined not to let his assets go to waste. That's the spirit of it all, isn't it? The post and the comments highlight a real need and a potential solution. It's a great discussion.
Indeed, it's a testament to the resilience and creativity of the game development community. A fantastic conversation starter, for sure.
Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this discussion. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.